All the way to Topgolf, dude. I've never been to Topgolf. Have you ever had your golf topped? Topgolf. Oh, you are? Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay, you have to do them online though.
I maybe hit a golf ball maybe like 5 times in my life. I good? I think it's all four. That's something I love this car. He's working far away from me. That's a real car enthusiast. Got a little heat seeker on. Looks like Christmas with the green and red. My Beamer's just waiting for me. Waiting.
So do you want like OEM style pads, or do you just want like some auto parts store pads?
Same style with the perforated holes.
So the SHW is a performance German rotor. That each rotor is $534 a piece. And then the other brand, which is Zimmerman, which is a really good brand, those are like $900 a piece.
I was driving through like some canyons, and then I got the brake light, so I was like, oh yeah, I definitely wore through them.
Yeah, and the thing is, usually you'll wear through the rear faster than you'll wear through the front.
You guys will check the gap, right? And then do you have a recommended gap for, because it's tuned and it's got a downpipe? Right. I think that's it for, I just want rear rotors, rear brakes, and then, like I said, I do have the parts for I do have the spark plugs, and I do have the ignition coils if I could get those changed out as well. Okay.
And then we can probably have you scheduled in around, let me double check that we're open on Wednesday. If not, I can call you back and see if you can come in tomorrow.
Okay. All right.
On it, and then I'll send it over to you.
All right, man. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Some new fucking. Look at that. Look at that. They're gone. Damn. BMW would charge me so much money if I went to them.
I'm taking the butt end of all the maintenance now. Why is everything due at once? I got rear tires due that I just got changed. I got rear brakes that I'm about to get changed. The front tires are gonna need to get changed eventually. I'm changing my spark plugs and my ignition coils. So they just got back to me, and guess how much they want for a grand total. I still have to do the math, but just for the rear brakes and the rear rotors and the sensors, it's gonna be $1,719. And then if you scroll down to the spark plugs, it's gonna be $278. Are you serious, bro? That's gonna be so expensive. We need to get rid of this brake light. With me already having the ignition coils and the spark plugs purchased, it's still $2,104. So I can't imagine how much it would be if I didn't buy those parts already. Anyways, let's go ahead and authorize this. I'm taking this to the shop tomorrow to get quite a few things done. Number one for sure is going to be the spark plugs. I have 8 of these. They're from Bosch. And number two is also going to be the dine-in ignition coils. If you're doing the spark plugs, honestly, you might as well do your ignition coils. And then I didn't talk to the shop about this, but hopefully they could install this while they're there. Probably could. Maybe they could bless me and do some free maintenance. But anyways, I got in-cabin air filters, and this car doesn't come with 2, by the way, which is a first for me. So in-cabin air filters, spark plugs, ignition coils, 8 of each, 2 of those, and then they're also going to be doing the rear brakes and the rear rotors, believe it or not. Gotta give this a spin. Always give that a spin, but as you can see, the rear brakes are, yeah, they're done. Super excited. You know, it's super expensive maintenance, and I'm not the fan of spending the most amount of money, but it's gonna be healthy for my car, and I guess healthy for my state of mind, so I'm not tripping about my car. And it's also really good for the next owner, whenever that comes to be. You know, I like take care of my car because I know it's gonna take care of me. And it's really good to be on top of maintenance. But yeah, tomorrow is gonna be a busy and laborious day for my car. And I'm kind of excited.